Good morning and happy Tuesday, friends. This is Johnny streaming live from Amarillo, Texas today, taking a little road trip, living that laptop lifestyle, and meeting some new friends up north. Today, however, I didn't want to leave you guys hanging, so I'm streaming live from here to give you a quick little video on how to boost your site traffic, nurture and convert those leads that are on the fence, keep your current customers engaged, and differentiate your business from the competition. We're going to do this by doing blogs. I've already touched on that a couple times, and to start at the beginning for blogging, it all goes back to keyword research. Blogs should always be made with SEO in mind, and to do that, we first need to know what keywords people are typing into Google en masse in order to base our content on. So as usual, I'm on my Mangools. They have a great little keyword tool. I'll put a link below for you. This one isn't a free one, but this is the one I particularly like. And we'll just say, let's do, off the top of my head, roofing. And let's see what the search volume is on that and grab some keywords. Okay, roofing has 481,000 searches a month. That's a big one, but it also has a high keyword difficulty. That's 72. And if you were running an ad on Google, the cost per click would be $12.38 every time someone clicked on your ad. So that's kind of steep. Whereas if you specialize in like metal roofing, cost per click is about half that. And the keyword difficulty is a little easier to obtain. And we're still in the 151,000 range, so not bad at all. Roof repair, even better. Cost per click's higher, but keyword difficulty is also a lot easier. Now, since we're not talking about running ads here, we're just talking about blogging. Roof repair would be an easy one to grab, and it's got enough variability, you can work it into almost any article. Roof repair, pretty general. Now, you could also talk about, of course, metal roofing, which we touched on earlier. If, say, your blog's talking about the different types of roofing, the gable roof, roof shingles, roof repairs. You can see all these keywords here that you could grab and slip into your article. It only has to be 500 to 800 words or so. You don't want to go overboard on it. Asphalt shingles, there's a good one. So you can see all these keywords here that you're getting. And you can see the traffic associated with those keywords, and you can see the difficulty. We're just going to try and grab some of these for ease. Let's see. So yeah, we found several. Roof leak repair, that's a little tougher to get. Roof waterproofing, corrugated metal roofing, flat roof repair, steel roofing, new roof cost. Yeah, there's tons of keywords associated with roofing that have great search volume and low difficulty. So by correlating those three, we can grab just a handful of keywords to structure an article around. Say we grabbed 5 or 6 different types of roofs, and we could write an article about different types of roofing. So let's try and find a topic. So for this, I usually go with the who's, what's, where's, when's, and why's, and how's. By doing variations like that, it'll basically give me the questions people are typing into Google so that I can answer those questions in the blog. This puts me in a good position to have an exact match keyword for someone's question, thus putting your blog article as the number one result. If that article is linked back to your website, that's just more traffic for you and another potential sell. So I'm going to go with what on this one. So we're talking about what kind of roofing. Yeah, roofing what is kind of a nonsensical one, so you're not going to have that. All right. How to roof a house, new roofing materials, roof covering, residential roofing materials. It's another, or actually that's a pretty low keyword. not always the best. Oh, yeah, that's a good one there. All right. All right, let's go a little more specific. Types of roofing. That's kind of where we were leaning, so let's just lean into it a little harder. All right, there it is. 9,500 people type in types of roofing. It's got a super low keyword difficulty rating. So this would be an easy one. That would be a good title or an H1 for your blog. Types of roofing. And then you can just dig into all the different types of roofing and all the keywords that we touched on in the last screen here that showed all the different types of roofing and also the search volume and keyword difficulty. We had at least 5 or 6, over 10,000 searches a month, and we had keyword difficulty that was pretty good on all of those. Now, if on the service page of your website, so you talk about all the different types of roofing, right, on the homepage, and then you can link all those different types of roofing to various service pages that go in depth about each type of roofing. Let's say you have a service page about asphalt shingles. Then you have another page about metal roofing. Then you have another page about commercial roofing options. So you can see how you can go in depth about those things so that you can boost your keyword ranking or your ranking for that particular keyword. And then to add a little more oomph to it to really push it to the top in that service page, if you were to hyperlink like metal roofing to a blog post on your website that goes even more in depth about metal roofing, now you're 3 layers deep into the inception game. You talk about it on the landing page, which is linked to a service page that talks even more about it. And then on that service page, there's also links linking it back to blog pages that go even more in depth. So you're demonstrating a great depth of knowledge on the topic, which is exactly what Google's looking for. They want the industry leader to be the number 1 through 3 results. And if you can do that through blogging, detailed service pages, and a good landing page, you're going to be hitting more towards the top. You're going to be getting more traffic. You're going to be getting more jobs. So that's been my quick little rundown on blogging. I'll touch more on it later because it always boils down to blogs and SEO. So this has been John on the road up here in beautiful Amarillo, and I'll talk to you again soon. Enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.